too much rain can certainly cause a lot of problems. It can also mean yards are green and plants are thriving. KMBC 9's Matt Evans now with how some plantings on the side of some roads are helping soak up some of that water.
Well, it looks like ditches on the side of the roads in several parts of Kansas City actually are called rain gardens, maintained and put here by the Kansas City Water Services Department. An almost record-breaking rainfall the past couple of months has proven that these rain gardens are doing their job. So far this spring, it seems like it's rained, and rained some more. The month of May, the 6th wettest on record with 10.25 inches of rain falling, which means rain gardens like these soaked up more than 3 million gallons of water.
This way the water, it catches in the rain garden and slowly soaks in and stays out of the sewer. So it really helps with a lot of problems.
That's 3 million gallons kept out of the sewer, off the streets, thanks to a few plants.
Native grasses typically have these very deep roots that can really soak up a lot of water.
There are more than 100 rain gardens across Kansas City, most in areas east of Waldo in the middle Blue River Basin. The big goal, to bring down the amount of sewage overflows from dozens to just a few. And every gallon of water soaked up can make a big difference.
A big part of it is keeping the water out of the sewer helps to prevent overflows where we can have sewage that's going into the rivers untreated.
These rain gardens not only helping with sewage issues in the city, but also helping with beautifying some of these neighborhoods. Without them, standing water just like this would be left after several of these heavy rains. In Kansas City, Matt Evans, KMBC 9 News.
These rain gardens were built in 2012. Water Services plans to build several more in the years to come.